Back in the garage working on Sally tonight. It's Wednesday night. It's rainy night in North Georgia. We've got the door handle out of the door. Had to grind the rivets out from the back side so I wouldn't mess up the door handle. I've sanded the paint down on it, and I thought it might have been painted once before because it had some flaws in it, but it was the factory paint. There's nothing under there except for the factory Elpo primer. I'll be sanding that down, and I'm going to go ahead and put a couple of dabs of little body filler. There's 4 door dings or dings in the door that I'm going to fix. That way it'll be drying overnight, and we'll get this thing going, move on to another panel. Back in the garage working on Sally today, this dreary Saturday. Didn't get as much accomplished on it as I wanted to. I got all the red paint off. Now it's ready to 180, 220 and prime. The reason I didn't get very much done to Sally today is I installed and wired in my bigger compressor from the other house that I haven't used in 4 years. Wired that thing up, flipped the breaker on, and it came right on and pumped up the air. Now the air tools will work a whole lot faster, and so can I. So tomorrow I'm going to sand this door, get it ready to prime. Going to block my hood one more time, flip it over, sand the underneath side of it, get it ready to paint so I can take it back to work Monday and let Paula paint it for me. She's done an awesome job on the rest of the stuff, and she's helping me make this car beautiful. Got the right door primed. It's ready to block. I believe it's just going to need the one blocking and reprime. Also got the hood sanded underneath and reprimed. It just needs to be scuffed and it'll be ready for paint. Hopefully we get some paint underneath it first of the week, and then we can turn it over and paint the outside edge of it. This door, hopefully in a few days I'll have it ready for paint. Moving right along.